Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I just would like to share. Since last week was a very busy week, this day, Sunday, is the best time for us to rest and to relax at home. So today, we are just spending our Sunday here at home. We are watching a movie while, of course, taking care of our very pretty puppy. Her name is Truffle. She is, of course, owned by my brother and my sister in law who are now in Canada. We love to take care of her because she is so sweet and she is our house guard, very responsible house guard. And this puppy of ours is loved by everyone. So her hair now is still wet and we are combing her hair. We love to caress, to hug her tight, and to love her so much because she is so lovable. We have much time today because we are free the whole day. So, Truffle, thank you for watching our house the whole week and for the sweetness, though, how busy we are and how busy we were last week. Mm, Thank you for this little puppy. This is our stress reliever. So, how about you? How are you spending your Sunday? Have a great day, everyone. Ang plano ni Madam para hindi matambakan ng kahit anuman ang kapitbahay ang nilinis na naman na gilid ng bahay. Simpleng pader lang muna sa gitna para mapanatili ang kalinisan. Salamat sa aming panday at tagalinis! To my friends who have plants at home, huwag nating kalilimutan na dapat mag-spend time po tayo na diligan ang ating mga tanim because they also have their lives. They need to survive. Kagaya din dito, sa amin, iilan lang po ang aking mga tanim. Kadalasan po ay mga ornamental plants dahil mainit po ang lugar namin. And I love to water them. Minsan nga kahit busy nakakalimutan ko pero dapat mag-spend time talaga ako ng pag-water sa kanila. And these are my plans. Happy watching everyone. Take care.